Drone light shows are a stunning art form that relies on the precise coordination of large drone fleets. A single show can involve 200, 500, 1,000, 2,000, or even more drones. During a performance, each drone follows a pre-programmed flight path, working together to create breathtaking patterns and dynamic animations in the sky. The C3 is a professional-grade drone specifically designed for light shows. It features a 24W ultra-bright RGB LED, up to 30 minutes of flight time, superior maneuverability, rapid formation switching, high-precision positioning, waterproof design, strong wind resistance, and efficient batch charging, launch, and storage systems. For each event, our engineers customize a solution based on the client's vision. Once the plan is confirmed, we leverage AI-powered simulations to model and compare different configurations, ensuring the most optimized control strategy. During the show, our software precisely manages takeoff in synchronized groups of 12. With swift movements and vibrant lighting, the drones quickly assemble into complex formations and transition seamlessly between 2D and 3D shapes. They can also be integrated with fireworks for even more immersive and dramatic visual effects. Thanks to the C3's fast-charging design, rapid deployment, and modular batch operation, transitioning between performances is highly efficient, typically requiring no more than 20 minutes. In today's commercial world, drone light shows have become increasingly popular due to their futuristic appeal, zero pollution, flexibility, and growing cost-effectiveness. They are now widely used for major public events, brand launches, tourist attraction shows, festival celebrations, and more. Drone light shows combine cutting-edge technology with creative expression, bringing the sky to life with art and innovation.